Hello guys, today I wanna share to you how to make these three types of Pulley with Fusion 360, and then I will make them into separate videos, and then let's do it. Okay guys, first step, we have to do a create a sketch, and I use this length for a sketch. And now I put the circle about 100 reset and extra. Understand? And I go to the grade and I create sketch circle again. Anything and I extrude it. About 5 and I create sketch on the grade again. 100 and extrude again. About 10 and create a sketch again, create a subcircle of 80 and extrude again about 5 and then I create a sketch again about 100 millimeters and I extrude about 10 and enter. Okay, and then I want to create a sketch on this front face about 75 and finish it, and then I have to cut it, cut until I make a hole, and then I'll go to front, make a circle on this center about 30, enter and finish it. And I use extrude and I just join and I will go to with us two sides. Okay, I think it's enough. And okay. And then I will go to make a some sketch on this circle and press L on my keyboard. And then I will start with make a center rectangle from here about 15 and 28 and I will make some line from here to the up about 22, sorry, 24, and then I will make it a line like this. The previous is 135 and the line is 3, and then I'll make a support line like this and create a same line like the last line we made. 3 and enter. And I want to make a connected line like this. Okay, and then I want to go to pattern it. I click all of them, the sketch, and I start to make it a pattern. And the quantity is 3, and I hit OK, and I finish it. Okay, and I have to extrude again. I click all of them and make sure no one's left. All of them. And we're gonna go like this. I use join like this and two sides. Okay, about 10. Okay, like this. I think this is enough and I click OK. Okay, and then our method to make shapes on this and create a circle. I will make it about 25 and extrude it about 10. Okay. And then I will make a sketch on this. And I press L on my keyboard. And then I will go to rectangle, center rectangle. And I have to find the center. And I make it like this and about 10. And then this about 18 maybe. Oh sorry, this 18 and this 10. And then I enter it. And then I wanna make it a pattern, circular pattern, and I click all of this. And center point is this circle, and I will make it 3 and finish it. And then I have to extrude it. Extrude this rectangle about -5. Okay, we almost done, guys. And then, guys, I have to fillet the edge, and then I fillet this first. I use a tool. Okay, I fillet him on this edge for 5. And then I fillet all of them like this. I hit a 2mm for fillet, and I hit OK. On the right here, I hit a 5 and then I will give a fillet for all of them, and I click F on my keyboard and I click this. And I give some fillet to make it looks like rounded. I click all of them and make sure no one's left. Okay, and then I wanna give a 1 for fillet, like this, and enter it. Okay, and then on the back side, also 2 for fillet, and then this edge of them. All of them. Okay, about what for fillet. Okay guys, we have done this object type 1 of Pulley, and in the next video for the type 2, okay? Okay guys, thank you for watching this video guys, and I already changed the material for chrome, steel chrome, yeah, steel chrome. Take it, yes, steel chrome black, and I like this. I love this material, and I love the no slide. And okay, thank you guys, and see you on the next video.